Hey guys, as I said again, I was going to do reviews and stuff 3 or 4 times a day. So this is one last time, or the second to last time. Just I like to make a few views a day. So I'm gonna listen to Queen. One of the rare Queen songs. I love Queen. It's probably my favorite band in the world. Back to now I'm here. Okay, let's listen to Now I'm here. This is the first time I'm ever gonna listen to this.
Moderate to severe eczema. You tried to treat it and it still doesn't care if it's bright night or if it...
Sorry, that was an ad. So I should really find a song beforehand. Sorry, this is my first review of music, but they did promise music. It's good, you know. Queen's my favorite band, of course, and remember I'm doing that Q&A in 4 days. I'm gonna do it Tuesday. I'm gonna do it Tuesday and something like that. So get your comments in and questions in a little bit. Yeah, I need to cut down and double check. Sorry, I have weird things. Makes me look bigger than I normally am. That was really good. I know I don't veil on this. That's just because I'm really thinking of what's going on in the song. And yeah, I've heard snippets from the Bohemian Rhapsody movie, but I've never heard the full song. So that was really good. Remember that was Queen. Now I'm here. I think the name was. It's a really good song. Yeah. I would rate it. I rate things like that. I would rate it a. It's 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. It's not my favorite, but it's definitely not the worst song in the world. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna rate my Santa Claus action figure, and there'll be some more videos coming up. Remember, in like 4 days or tomorrow to 4 days, I'll let you know. I will be doing my Q&A, so get your comments in. Bye, guys.